Good morning. Say hi, Pops. Say hi, Poppies. Today is March 31st, and Aiden is 3.5 months. And we woke up this morning, and then we went back to sleep, and it's 11 o'clock. So, that's a good thing. Saturday morning, Daddy's at work. One more to do than sleep. Say hi, Pops. Aiden is enjoying his hands a lot more. Say hi, Poppy. You can talk. Say, oh. No? Camera shy? No, not today. Alright. Well, that's it. We'll be back later. Excuse my face. Bye.